Hello Frank, today I'd like to introduce you project number 1, Flickr Fusion Threshold. So the goal of project to set up a facility that can measure frequency fusion threshold of a current user. So first I will be discussing of facility of microcontroller and components that is provided to this project. The second part is my explanation of a source code, and the last part is going to be the actual running of a program on the microcontroller and showing the setup frequency that was being set up by a potentiometer. The first component of my project is Teensy board. To the Teensy board connected the button to the digital input. Also to the analog input connected the potentiometer, 10 kilo ohm potentiometer. And likewise we have light emitting diode, LED, that is connected to the output through the with resistor in series. It's here 390 ohms. And all our circuit is powered up by external USB that is in a laptop. So this board basically is connected to my laptop by using 5 volts from 5 volt power supply from laptop. And here is my source code. So first of all, we have to allocate our pins and to define names to these pins. Then it goes our global variables. It's timing variables and frequency variable and permission flag variable. Next one is going our setup function that will initialize a serial port. Also, it will turn on it will configure the modes of pins, and the last line of our code is where I'm attaching interrupt to the digital input in order to trigger the function when the button is pressed. And here is our main function. So this if statement condition does the debouncing of our button. Next one is calculation of our frequency, and the result is stored in a set frequency variable. First of all, we reading our analog input over here, and then we calculate it and scaled it between range of 0 to 70 Hertz. And then here's our main condition for flicking sequence of our LED. So first of all, we need to calculate how many seconds the LED has to be on and off, and after that the while loop will initialize the flickering sequence of our LED. It's over here. And at the very end we have our void pre-frequency function. It's an interrupt function, so it sets the permission flag as true and saves the current time of lapse time of microcontroller into the bounce timer variable. And after that, it will after expiration of some time, it will debounce our button, and then we resets flag and start timer. Okay, and here is our running program. So it's our LED and it's our potentiometer. So now I am changing I'm setting the new frequency for the LED, increasing the frequency, and as you can see on the video that the frequency increases when I to move the wheel of potentiometer. And here the last part is you can see in our serial monitor interface, when I press a button I can output the set frequency. So, and you can see I can change the frequency and it does perfect debouncing because it just only outputs only one stored value, so it works perfectly. That's all. The goal of our project to change the frequency of flicking by using potentiometer has been successfully achieved, and for the improvement I would propose to use more buttons to start and stop the system, and we can use even the digital display to show the set frequency currently, but it's another story. And thank you for your attention. Bye.